Hi, Gloria Reben here again, and today it's about Esther Hicks and The Secret and the Law of Attraction. Several years ago, The Secret, the DVD, and later the book became very, very popular, and everybody was buying it. And after a while, it didn't have there's a lot of lack of success with The Secret, and there's a good reason for that. And the reason why I want to talk about Esther Hicks is just a few months after it was released, she was suddenly no longer on the new release of The Secret. So she no longer appeared. And I was very disappointed because she was very influential for me. In fact, I have a website called allowtheflow.com, and Esther Hicks was the inspiration for that. And I couldn't understand why, when I saw it again, that she was no longer there. Well, I didn't know until today. I went and looked that up and found that she wasn't on because she requested not to be on. Now, why would she do a thing like that? Well, recently, about 9 months ago, I was introduced to an additional 12 CDs about The Secret, which were very significant and very, very important to me. And it turned out that there were a lot of things missing from The Secret. Even though the knowledge has been around for thousands and thousands of years, there were still some key elements missing, which I got from these recordings. And because of this, I thought, you know, Esther Hicks really had the most complete information. And I think the reason why, and this is my opinion, it's not something I heard her say or anything like that, it's just my opinion. But my opinion is I think that she realized that there was a lot of things missing from The Secret, and because it was missing, a lot of people would fail when they tried to implement The Secret, and they would be hurt by that. Okay, so that in fact did happen. Many people failed, and the reason why they failed is some key elements were missing. I did find those key elements last October, and I have been sharing them with people. And I put a link down here, gloriasweb.com/success, where you can hear an introduction to what I heard the first time I was introduced to this. So I'm going to recommend that you click on that link and you'll get free access to everything. Now when you get there, it's not a video. Excuse me. Excuse me. It looks like a video, because it's got a picture on it which says success, and people tend to want to push that and get something. You won't get that. Underneath that is the audio link, and there's just a little, you know, an arrow for start to play. You have to push that in order to hear the information. And if you like what you hear, by all means, you could follow the directions on that page, and I'll be happy to send you the password to my password-protected site, okay? So that's just what I wanted to say this morning, because I do want people to know the absolute truth about The Secret and to get some further information. Thank you for listening, and talk to you again on Monday.